Hi everyone, my name is Ariana Salby, and one of my favorite hobbies to do is spin and working out. The general purpose of this is to inform readers the importance of working out and staying active, but I want to specifically explain why I love cycling and how beneficial it is to your health. So, to start, losing weight is something that most people really want to do and they want to maintain a healthy mindset. So, with COVID, a lot of people that I know from experience, including my friends, have not liked the way they've looked after COVID, being quarantined and whatnot, and not getting active. So during quarantine, I decided to start losing weight. I ended up losing about 50 pounds, which is extremely difficult, which we can all say. And just the importance of it is to stay consistent with it and maintain a healthy lifestyle. My favorite thing to do is spin. So, spin is also known as cycling. People do it outdoors, inside, stationary. I'm currently in a course to get certified so that I can teach my own classes. And so, yeah, now that I have your attention with losing weight, I would like to begin with how important it is how important staying active is for your health. So, my main point is to manage weight, of course. So according to the CDC, regular physical activity is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Being physically active can improve your brain health and manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. So I know this from experience. Prior to COVID, before I did lose weight, I was unable to stay up with what my friends were working out with. Definitely would be out of breath once I got up the stairs. I used to have a 3-story house, or my mom used to live in a 3-story building, so getting up all those stairs definitely winded me. So, like the CDC said, it's extremely important. So, getting out there, whether it's just walking or spinning or lifting weights, definitely will increase your mental health overall. And there's so many other benefits, such as the brain health, managing weight, reduces risk of disease. So, continuing on that, would be another benefit of cycling would be the amount of calories it burns, which strengthens your heart muscles. So while you're pedaling on the bike, your heart is working harder and harder to keep the oxygen flow through your body, which then leads to burning more calories, strengthening the heart muscles. So the website that I got this one from was the Better Health Channel, which discusses all the benefits of staying exercise. And it quotes, regular cycling stimulates and improves your heart, lungs, and circulation, reduces your risk of cardiovascular diseases, which connects to my first point of what the CDC says that it can help reduce the risk of heart diseases. So I'm going to use me as an example. Before I started working out, I didn't necessarily have heart problems, but my doctor was telling me that I need to lose weight. And as soon as I lost all that weight, I wasn't at risk anymore. Diabetes isn't an option. Diabetes isn't a risk anymore, just because the way my heart was producing more and more and the amount of calories I was burning. So strengthening your muscles and decreasing your risk of disease are two extremely factors that cycling points out. And my last one is, this is an opinion, but cycling is extremely enjoyable rather than feeling forced to do something. Cycling is more fun, relaxed. You get to listen to music. So getting outside increases your serotonin, which is great for your health. I loved the fact that I was able to get out there working out, sweat. When you sweat, you're burning more calories as well because it's harder to push. And the website I took this one from was the Bicycle Garage. And they say cycling also happens to be a lot more enjoyable than working out in a gym. You get to enjoy the open air, sun on your face, and wind in your hair, plus the sights and sounds of the great outdoors. You'll probably want to get outside when it's sunny and nice anyway, and cycling allows you to get some quality exercise and have more fun at the same time. So I know for me and my family, we do bike rides on Saturdays and Sundays where we go out, we put our workout clothes on, sweat, and just enjoy the time. You get to see all the cars by. I luckily live in Florida, so I get to bike on the beach down A1A. So taking all of this into consideration, you can recognize how great cycling is for you. There are multiple different hobbies that people love to do, but cycling just happens to be one of them, as well as working out for me every day. It's fun, enjoyable, and it keeps you active, decreases risks of diseases, and yeah, get out there.